Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start reboot our work using UiPath. So today we have reached 100 mark subscribers in our YouTube channel. Thanks for your love and support. Stay tuned for latest and new topics in UiPath. In today's session, so we are going to discuss about recordings. So what mean by recordings and the types of recordings. So actually, like recordings are most important part in UiPath, so which will be save lots and lots of times, and it's used to mimic the actions what we are doing in drag and drop GUI actions. So in recording types, so there may be several recordings which is basic, desktop, web, image, and navigate Citrix. So this navigate Citrix will be purely used in the Citrix environment, and then image. So image will be used when there is a not a reliable selector. So when I was speaking reliable selector, so particular selector element, so which you are seeing in edit selector, it is not reliable. It's keep on changing. So during those times, so we'll use to identify the target element with the help of images, not by the selectors. And the basic desktop web, these are the types of recordings which reliable on the selectors and works with the help of selectors. So we can start our today's session, so we can just go through one by one recordings in our future videos. So today we are going to discuss fully about basic recordings. Let us jump back to the studio part and we can start our basic recordings. So already I have created a basic recording process. Just double click, then go to the activity panel, drag a sequence, name it as basic recording or basic. Okay. Okay, that's good. Mm, Now we can start our recording. So first of all, where the recording option will be available. So you can see here, right, recordings. So this is the option where you can see all your recordings. So what mean by basic recording? So how it works? Click on basic recording and then so you can see this Chrome page, right? So what you can do, so I will show you magic and last. Okay, so first of all you have to aware about this activities which you are going to use in the basic recording, and this recording options will going to help you a lot actually. So this is the magic which I was saying will be said on the last of our session. So this you have to understand. So start app. So what mean by start app? So which application going to start? This is click on start app. Just highlight this Chrome browser. So it will understand where this particular Chrome browser has been stored. Okay. So argument. So what particular browser link need to be opened here? Okay. Just go here. Just copy your test link. Okay. Just go back here. Enter this one. Click on OK. Just hit on save and exit. Okay, so what actually it will do, so it will open the Chrome application and then it will open this particular site as well. Okay, let me quickly try this one. Debug. So yeah, it is done. So let's go to the Chrome page. It is loading our Air India site. So this why I picked Air India site. So it has so many operations which we can do in basic account. That's why I just choose this site. So we can start doing our operations. So just click on basic once again. So and then so once you are entered into the page, what you have to do, so you have to enter some data which is populated here. So soon after the page got loaded, so it will be like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to scroll down, right? So how bot will understand, you have to do scroll down, go to type and make a hot. Okay, send hotcut key. Okay, just try to select this entire page where this particular entire page got getting selected. Okay, just click over there. Okay, what do you have to do? So page down. So what page down will do? Help you to down this page a bit. Just click on OK. So page got moved down. So soon after it's moved down, so you have to enter all the data which is going to be populated here. Okay. So what action you have to do? Type into. So in your web automation, you may be aware about, right? So type. The naming convention will be so reliable actually. So when in UiPath, so just click over here. Okay. Soon after, if you're clicking, it will be asking. So what you mean by empty field? So if some data has been already entered over here, maybe cache something. Okay. So you have to clear out this using this empty field. Okay. So what you can do, type where from. Okay. Just and then once you entered, then click on enter key, hotkey, and then same for two section. So type, highlight over here. Okay. Make empty field and then enter where you want to. Okay. Just hit on enter. Okay, so you entered two things, right? So for intentionally, I will just leave these two fields. Okay, now. So what you have to make a handle the drop down, right? So drop down. So where you can see the drop down in the click activity. Okay, so in click activity, select items will help you to understand about the drop downs. So select items, just highlight over here. Okay, so you can see all the options which is in this drop down. Okay, so let me select two and then click on OK. So it is selected, so I don't need selecting these two things. Okay, so which since this will do the same operations, and then one second you can make your select items and you can select this one if you need. Okay, or else you can go to the economy. So let me go to the economy. So what I need, so maybe first class. Okay, just click on OK. So I have populated most of the information here. I no need of any concessionary type. So I have entered. So only intentionally I just left this returning and departure date. Okay. So what I will do, I have to click here for search, right? So just click. Okay. Soon after, if you are clicking here, so you're getting an error, right? So you're getting an error. Enter the proper source address and enter the proper destination. What you have to do, you have to capture all these two things. So how can you capture these things? So where you can see copy text, right? So copy text, what it will do, it will copy this entire text. It will copy this entire text. And then, so same, copy text. Okay, so what these things will do, so it will understand, try to understand. You have not entered the source address properly and you didn't enter the destination address properly. Okay. So as of now, I have copied this text. I need to print this text in my UiPath Studio. So just click on save exit. Okay. So we'll be moved to the studio now. So one more thing, what you can do actually here, so you can make the page load. Okay, so you can decide the page load. So here you can see, right, something called a send key. So which are doing then the actions. So here you can see something which called as target, right? So wait for ready. What actually this wait for ready will do? So it wait for the entire page to get loaded, complete. So it will help you to get load the page entirely complete. Okay, so you can just write and these two messages. So what it was, and then what this one, so it has info. Okay, right, two. So once again you can drag a right line and print over this. So till now, actually, we will be aware what we have done. Okay, so we have just like enter the name Mumbai, and then like we intentionally missed our dates, and then you have populated. So in drop down elements, and then one more drop down element, and then hit on key. So we have to capture this text, right? So till now, this let us try to run this one. Okay, just click on save and then debug. So just loading to new page. So it's waiting for the page to get loaded. So when the page is loaded, then it will go down, and then it started populating each and everything. Then it is trying to hit on search. Okay, I guess our flow got run. So let me go to the studio. So yeah, it has captured the enter the proper source location, enter the proper destination location, and you can see over here also it has entered the Chennai, Mumbai, and then like it has intentionally missed these two, and then entered two, and then made this as first class. Then it runs search. So likewise, so we can do the multiple operation. So when go to the recordings, so each has its own. So the start application is help to start application. This click is intentionally used for the click actions. So select item, so you can see in drop down. Check. So check it's used for a checkbox. Okay. So to make a check or uncheck. So type, so which helps to type into send for send shortcut key, and then copy text which I have seen. So copy the intentional text, and the screen scrapping. So will do the same. What actually the copy text will do, but what actually it will do, it will show, it will open a pop-up. Okay, so it will open a pop-up, and it will help. It will ask a suggestion what actually I need to go. So navigate or like OCR. So those can be covered in our future session. So we can have a separate session for screen scrapping. And then so for elements, so elements which has the same actions like click, so like click, related click, right click, double click. Okay, those can be seen in this studio part itself, click activity itself. So they have categorized those things and made a separate options actually. So you can see here in the click activity itself. So you click activity itself, all those options. So you can see click type. Okay, right? Single, double, down, up, and then so what are the mouse type? So right, left. So actually you may be seeing those things only in the mouse session. So, okay. So in the mouse session, you are seeing those things only, right? Click double. So in keyboard. So what actually they have done? So they have categorized in the elements. So they have categorized the mouse action, keyboard action in a like structured way. They have done in the elements. Okay. So nothing big actually. So no need to worry about. So if you need to close this window, so you can use this close. And then so mouse, so this is also doing the same action. So they are categorized into the text. So copy text, each and everything. So image, so only in image what actually it will do, so without the like it will not use the selectors. So instead of selectors, it will try to recognize this particular image. For an example, so if this page does not working with the selectors, so what I can do, so we can find the image. So what we have to find, we have to click on find image, and then you have to select this particular image. So what bot will do, so if this particular image is there, then okay, so we have landed in a correct way. So it will try to recognize with the help of this image. Since the selector is not available, since the selector is not working actually. So like kind of, so these are the various options, so which is categorized by the UiPath. Okay, so as I said before, the magic. So so let me try to use this recording options. Okay, instead of going with the each and every activities, let quickly use the recording option. So this will be a best option. So let, for this example, let me go to the ACME. Okay, let load the ACME. Let me log out this one. Let me switch back to the studio. Okay, so let me start recording this one. Go to the Chrome. So as we said earlier, so just click on recordings. Okay, just click on recordings, and then try to highlight this one. Okay, what actually this one I was saying, email field. Okay, so soon after it has recognized. So here in this part, you didn't went to further type into, right? So I just clicked here. Automatically, this recording option is identified. This is a type into field. So you can type your email address. Okay, once you entered everything, so I have just marked the empty field, then click on enter. Okay, so it has shown how it's entering, like a preview. So just click on password, same thing. Okay, until unless you are clicking on escape, so it will not go out of the recording mode. Okay, just click on empty field. Okay, so this is a password, right? Make it as password. So enter the password over here. Okay, so I have entered my password. Just click on enter. Okay, so soon after entering password, what you will do? You just click on login, right? See here it has recognized this is a click action, so it's not like a pop later. I didn't open any like type into box. Okay, so what actually I will do? So I'll just click on here. Okay, so what it will do? So once I clicked here, it will recognize it is a copy text. Okay, so I have copy text. Then just click on logout. So once you're done all your steps recording, just click on escape. Okay, then click save. So what I actually was trying to convey, so in this, in the previous like activity session, so you have dragged and drop each and every activities. So you have to aware about the activities, what kind of activities need to be used here. But in the recordings, you no need to have like knowledge on like what action you are going to do and what the steps you are going to do. So you are just going to click on recordings. Okay. So instead of going with the like each and every activities, you are going to click on the record. Okay, this will help you. It will recognize each and every activities what it is type into, and like it is a password field. We have to make a click action. So here you can see. So each and every actions will be captured automatically, and it will be do the same action what we are trying to do. So let me comment on the top one. Okay, and try to execute this one. Okay, which are done with the help of recording debug. So I guess it will start now. So it has entered the email name, password. It's clicked on login. So it is pretty fast. Yeah. So it has entered this thing. So it has captured dashboard and this it clicked on logout. So it's quite fast, right? So when you're doing the top level activities, we have to have the pair knowledge about the activities, what this will do, what this will do, and it will take time also to design. But in the record option, so I hope it is so much easy, right? So it is so easy to enter username, password, then logged in, and then just capture the mistakes and then click on logout. So this is pretty much fast, right? So I will suggest you to go through each and every activities in this recording panel. So it may be start. So I will suggest you to go each and every activity first, and then try to use this record options next. So it will give an activity based like knowledge, what action need to be done here, what action need to be done here. It will give the overview activity knowledge. So once you are familiar with this, then you can go with the recording options. I guess this is a basic understanding about recordings and what the basic recording will do. So I hope you'll be pretty much clear about this each and every recordings option and actions. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.